So today we are here to learn a very unique approach of Singapore maths, which is known as difference constant method. Difference constant method, where we are going to make the difference constant and solve big geometry problem, which we will use algebra. It will take two pages to get the answer. Let's see how. So Singapore maths basically focus in analyzing the concepts, experiencing it, exploring it, discovering it, visualizing it. The most important is visualizing it. And when you start visualizing maths, you are going to definitely enjoy. Let's see how. So first question says, At present, Mr. So is 26 years older than his son. So when you consider present age, then this is Mr. So, this is son, and then we talk about the difference. Okay. Then what is the change? Change is plus 10, right? Mr. So is 26 years older. That is the difference, because that is the difference between Mr. So and son age at present. Okay. Now, after 10 years, what happened? Mr. So would be 3 times as old as his son. So this is 3 times. I'm writing it 3 units, or I can say 3u. And this will be how much? 1u. So if you count how much? 2u, because difference will be 3 units minus 1 unit, 2 unit. So can you say like 2 units is equal to 26, or 1 unit equal to how much? 13. So 1 unit is 13. Now this is equal to 30, and this is equal to 39. So 10 years before, this will be how much? 3 years. And 10 years before, this will be how much? 29 years. So can we tell that the Mr. So age will be 29 years now, and son's age will be 3 years now?
If you want to take a screenshot, this is the total screenshot of it.
So let's go to next question. So here again we are going to use the constant difference method, and you try to do this question with algebra and comment in the comment section how much time you take and how many pages you take. Let's start with a rectangle and a square are painted in 3 colors. So you can see the ratio of the area. This is given as 18 centimeter, right? And there are 3 colors: rectangle, square, and they are painted in 3 colors: red, green, and blue. The area of the ratio of area of square. So area of square by area of rectangle is to difference. So how much it is? 1:3. So difference is how much? 2. Now it say the ratio of the area of the blue part. So blue area by red area is how much? 4:1. Here if you see the difference, 3. So we'll make this difference constant. So this one we multiply by 3, and this one you multiply by 2. How much you got? 3:9:6. And here you get 8:2:6. See, our difference become the constant. That is the method. Now it's given length of the square is 18 centimeter. So how much is the area of a square? See, 3 units. So means 3 units is equal to how much? 3 units is equal to how much? Three units is equal to area of a square. That is how much? 18 into 80. That is given centimeter square. So 1 unit will be how much? Just divided by 3. So that will be 108 centimeter square. So that give you answer for this part, 108 centimeter square. Okay. So now we are going to find a ratio of the area of the green part to that of the figure. So we find out that green part is how much? 1. And rest of the part is how much? So we have to find out blue plus green plus red. So blue part was how much? Blue part was 8, green part was 1, and red part was 2. So 1 is to 8, 9, 10, 11. So this will be the answer. 1 is to 11. Right? So this is how you can crack any difficult question of geometry using difference constant. Take the screenshot here. Let's go to next question. So here the figure is made up of rectangle and a square. You can see a square and a rectangle. The area of the square is 2/5 of the area of rectangle. So we have to take area of square by area of rectangle is to difference. So if you talk what it will be. So area of square is how much? 2 is to 5 is to 3. That is the difference. Now shaded area of 40 centimeters cut out. So this is 40, right? This part is 40 centimeter square. The remaining area of unshaded part. So unshaded square is to unshaded rectangle is to difference. Is how much? 1 is to 5 is to 4. We are making it same. We multiply it by 3. We multiply it by 4. Because this one we see, if you multiply, it becomes same. So 8 is to 20 is to 12. And here it's come 3 is to 15 is to 12. Just see, difference becomes constant. Now, what they are asking? They are asking a shaded area of 40 centimeter square is cut. So if you check 8 minus 3, 5, 20 minus 5, 5. That means 5 units is equal to how much? 40 centimeter square. So 1 unit will be how much? 8 centimeter square, right? So 1 unit will be 8 centimeter square. So now you have to see what will be the area of the figure. So either you do 20 plus 3, 20 plus 3 will be the area of the figure, or you can do 15 plus 8. That also will give you area of the figure. That is how many units? 23 units. So 1 unit is 8. So 23 unit will be how much? It will be just 23 into 8 centimeter square, which will give you how much? 23 into 8. 184 centimeter square. So see how easily you can get the answer, right? So let's go to another question and explore. So here the triangle overlaps the square. The ratio of area of the triangle. So it says ratio of area of triangle to area of square, and then we take the difference. This is how much? This is 30, this is 9, so this will be 4. And then they take the unshaded part of the triangle, means this part, unshaded part of triangle. So unshaded triangle by unshaded square, and then we take the difference, is how much? 2:1. So we take the difference, that is 1. So you make it same by multiplying by 4. So you get 8:4:4. So now you see, so 8:4:4. Now you see length of the square is 9 centimeter. Length of the square is 9 centimeter. This is given as 9 centimeter. So find the area of the shaded part. So if you go by this, so 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. This 13 minus 8 equal to 5, because this is complete area of triangle and this is unshaded. So shaded will be what? 13 minus 8. Similarly here 9 minus 4 equal to 5. That means what? If you consider now 9 units is the area of the square. So 9 units is equal to how much? 9 into 9 centimeter square. That will be area of square. So 1 unit will be how much? 1 unit will be 9 centimeter. So area of the shaded part is how many units? You have calculated 5 units. So 5 units will be equal to 5 into 9. That is 45 centimeter square. That's it. So I expect you to learn this method and use this method in exams where you can get a very edge with other competitors, because it will save a lot of your time involving x and y and algebra, and it will save your time and it can give you accurate answer within seconds. Let's try another. So I have written for you, you can check it here. Next question please. So Tom is 1/4 as old as Gammy. So this is Tom, this is Gammy, and this is the difference. So now we are talking of percentage. So this is 1, this is 4, and this is 3. So after 5 years, what is happening? This is 1, this is 3, and the difference become 2. Multiply this by 2, multiply this by 3, because I have to make this constant difference. So this become 2:8:6, and this become 3:9:6. I make my difference constant. Now what they are asking? So how much is the difference? When the difference is 5 years, so you see in Tom, 5 years, Tom will be 1/3. So if you take the difference in Tom, or here 3 units minus 2 units is how much? How much time it has taken to make the difference in the ratio? 5 years. So 1 unit equal to 5 years. So how old is Tom now? Now they are asking, so what is the percentage of Tom? How many units? 2 units. So 2 units will be 10 years. Just that. And we are done with our answer. So here you can take the screenshot and analyze the answer. Let's go to next question. So here it says, SOP X had 4/7 as many as SOP Y. So this is X, this is Y, this is difference. This is 4 parts, this is 7 parts, this is 3 parts, right? Now what happened? After both SOP sold 75 sets each, they have all sold both equally. So difference will be constant. SOP A was left with 55%. So this will be 55. This will be 100. And difference will be how much? 45. If we try to divide this ratio by 5 all over, so how much will we get? 11/29. Now what is our job? Our job is to make the difference same. So if we multiply this by 3, we got 12 is to 21 is to 9, and here 11 is to 20 is to 9. You can see our difference is constant. So find the number of SOPs X had in the end. And how much is this? After both SOPs hold 75 cells. So that means 1 unit, 12 minus 11 or 21 minus 20 is equal to how much? 75 cells. So SOP X had in the end. End how much it is having? 11. So 11 unit will be how much? How much it will be? 75 times 11, which will be how much? 825 cells. Hope you are clear. Have a look. Try to analyze. And if you like it, please subscribe and share our YouTube channel. A very, very thank you to you. Take care. Bye-bye.